Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome back to another video. So we're here to pick a winner for the Halloween Embellishment Book. Thank you everyone for participating and playing along. I appreciate it so much. And don't worry, if you didn't win, I will have more giveaways this year. So I'm using the YouTube random picker to pick a winner here. For those who would like to make the book on your own, you're able to head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com. I used the 3D embellishment book to make this Halloween book. If you'd like to pick that up, I have a discount code for you. It's V10%. That way you can save 10% throughout the entire website. Congratulations, Sally P1. Send me a message through Instagram to claim your prize. I am so excited for her. I know who she is, so this is very exciting. I am so glad you won, and I am so excited for you again. Congratulations, Sally. And thank you to everyone who participated.